Let's test your knowledge on what is the true cost of electric vehicles to own them. My name is George. Welcome to Go Green Hub, and let's get started with this 10-question quiz. Question number one: what could be a hidden cost associated with electric vehicles, EVs, due to the increase in demand for electricity? A, decreased electricity cost. B, stable electricity cost. C, rising electricity costs. Or D, free electricity for EV owners. The correct answer is C, rising electricity costs. As more EVs are introduced into the market, the demand for electricity increases, potentially leading to rising electricity costs for consumers. Question number two: what hidden costs might arise due to the limited availability of charging stations for EVs? A, convenient access to charging stations. B, lower chances of getting stranded. C, cost of towing in case of unavailability. Or D, decreased charging time. The correct answer is C, cost of towing in case of unavailability. Limited charging stations may lead to inconvenience and potential towing expense if one runs out of charge without nearby access to a charging station. Question number three: which hidden cost could EV owners face due to the need for battery replacement over time? A, no battery replacement needed. B, low battery replacement costs. C, high battery replacement costs. Or D, government subsidies for battery replacement. The correct answer is C, high battery replacement costs. As EV batteries degrade over time, the replacement costs can be significantly high, impacting the overall ownership expenses. Question number four: what hidden cost is associated with EVs due to their typically higher initial price compared to traditional vehicles? A, lower initial price. B, equal initial price. C, higher initial price. D, subsidized initial price. The correct answer is C, higher initial price. The higher initial purchase price of EVs can contribute to increased overall costs for prospective buyers. Question number five: which hidden cost might EV owners face due to the fact that tires wear out sooner on electric vehicles? A, longer lasting tires. B, equal tire longevity. C, sooner tire replacement. Or D, free tire replacements. The correct answer is C, sooner tire replacements. The increased torque and weight of EVs can cause the tires to wear out faster, leading to more frequent replacements. Question number six: what hidden cost could arise due to the requirement of special maintenance for electric vehicles? A, lower maintenance cost. B, no need for special maintenance. C, higher maintenance cost. Or D, government subsidies for maintenance. The correct answer is C, higher maintenance cost. Specialized maintenance for EV components may lead to higher overall maintenance expenses compared to traditional vehicles. Question number seven: which hidden cost might EV owners experience due to longer charging times compared to refueling traditional vehicles? A, shorter charging times. B, equal charging times. C, longer charging times. Or D, free charging. The correct answer is C, longer charging times. Extended charging periods can result in inconvenience and potentially increased opportunity costs for EV owners. Question number 8. What hidden cost could arise due to typically higher insurance rates for electric vehicles? A. Lower insurance rates. B. Equal insurance rates. C. Higher insurance rates. Or D. Free insurance. The correct answer is C. Higher insurance rates. The advanced technology and repair costs associated with EVs may lead to higher insurance premiums compared to traditional vehicles. Question number 9. Which hidden cost might EV owners face due to the typically lower resale value of electric vehicles? A. Higher resale value. B. Equal resale value. C. Lower resale value. Or D. Subsidized resale value. The correct answer is C. Lower resale value. Factors such as rapid technological advancement and concerns about battery degradation can contribute to lower resale values for EVs. Question number 10. What hidden cost could arise due to potentially greater expenses at repair shops specializing in electric vehicles? A. Lower repair shop expenses. B. Equal repair shop expenses. C. Greater repair shop expenses. Or D. Free repairs. The correct answer is C. Greater repair shop expenses. Specialized repair and maintenance for EV components may result in higher expenses at repair shops that are dedicated to servicing electric vehicles. Electric vehicles offer numerous benefits but also come with hidden costs that prospective buyers should consider. Understanding these hidden expenses, they can help individuals make informed decisions regarding the adoption of electric vehicles and plan their budgets accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. My name is George at Go Green Hub. Hope you have a fantastic day.